Even if you take excellent care of your car, dents and dings sadly still happen. There's little you can do to prevent rocks from kicking up on the freeway and lending a little character to your car's body. But one way to be prepared to quickly remedy these situations is to have a high-quality dent repair kit. Dent repair kits apply the necessary force using suction to pop the body back into position. There is a cost-effective way to fix those smaller dents yourself. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) kits. As long as the paint around the dent is intact, PDR kits can be used to pull those dings and dents back into their original shape. And being able to reuse the kits means that you'll just save more with each dent you fix. 1. Arise D32 PCS Auto Body Dent Removal Kit. This affordable kit is comprehensive, reliable, and affordable, a trifecta that makes it a sound buy to repair the creases and dents that accumulate on your vehicle over time. The ARISD kit includes a steel dent lifter and dent puller, giving you two different tools and all of the necessary parts, including a glue gun and glue sticks. If you follow the basic directions included in this ARISD kit, it's easy and convenient to restore your car's exterior. Everything you need is included, such as a rubber scraper, a tap-down pen, an alcohol spray bottle, and a cleaning cloth. 2. Fly 5D53 PCS PDR Kit, perfect for door dings and hail damage. Whether you decide you want to tackle a full dent repair project, or just want to save money by doing minor repairs yourself. Professional paintless dent removal tools for auto dent and hail damage. The golden dent lifter with a unique can adjust width and height. You can adjust the fixed position and distance for your different size dents, efficiently and labor-saving. Unique arched bridge design eliminates the chance for additional damage. 3. Auto PDR Paintless Dent Removal Toolkit. Every tool in the dent repair kit has been carefully inspected and certified by Rockwell Hardness. The high-temperature resistant glue gun and the highly viscous yellow glue sticks can repair the relatively hard parts of the car body. Compared to the old version Paintless Dent Repair Kit, the new dent lifter can adjust more 1 cm height and more 3.8 cm width. Some glue tabs have thicker and big diameter. It will more effective and durable to puller the dent. 4. Auto PDR 89 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Kit. UTO PDR Dent Puller Kit contains all tools needed to car dent repair. Adjustable golden dent lifter. Bridge dent puller. 2-in-1 T-bar puller. Different from most dent repair kit in the market, added a new suction cup dent puller will not damage the original car paint, effectively increasing the success rate of paintless dent repair. 5. Anion 98-piece Paintless Dent Repair Kit. The Anion 98-piece PDR kit contains enough pieces for pros and first-timers alike to handle dents up to 10 inches in size. Inside the kit's handy carrying bag you'll find a bridge board, compression grips, steel dent lifters, hammers, a glue gun and 52 glue tabs of various shapes and sizes. A couple user reviews report issues with the glue either being difficult to remove or not sticking sufficiently to the tabs, and some found the slide hammer tool lacking in effectiveness, but the majority praised the Anion 98-piece kit's ease of use and the results they got when taking care of their dents. 6. Beaver 107 PCS Dent Removal Kit. Beaver 107 PCS Dent Removal Kit allows you to adjust the width and height to accommodate different dent size from 0.2 to 5.3. And the bridge dent puller can also be adjusted to repair dents from 0.2 to 3.54. The stainless steel 2-in-1 slide hammer dent puller can be used as a short puller or a long one with a simple replacement. 3 suction cups are quite easy to use. Make dents disappear from your beloved car.